Hi, it's Ed from Computer Science. We're continuing lesson 5, part 2 now. So we're going to continue in our lesson5.py file, and now we're going to make sets. So you put the heading sets. You should be typing with me. I only type with one finger, so there's no excuse. I'm not typing fast. I put sets. So what are sets? Oh, you got to remember sets store unique value. Oh, I spelled unique right. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Values, okay. Whoa. Okay, so first we make an empty set. So we go S1 equals set. So it calls the constructor, since you took lesson 2, you know all about lesson 3, all about constructors. And we can print it out, and it would be an empty set. And the set likes the curly brackets. So all these little brackets mean something. The square bracket means lists. The curly bracket means sets, and other things as well. We will find out today. So if we run this, we should get an empty set. Oh, there you are, empty set. What more could you ask for? And we can put some values in. Use S1 again for, we're going to use S2 today, I guess. Equals, so it's curly brackets now because we're initializing. 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 3, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 4, comma, 4, and 5, comma, 5. It's got, look, extra 5s. Many 5s and many 4s and many 3s. If I print them out, you will see unique numbers. So sets are used for lots of things. If you have a bunch of numbers and you want to know what numbers they are, just make a set and you know what they are, right? Okay, run this one. See? It's got a bunch of numbers. We know which numbers we have. And there you are. Okay. And they have the length again. Remember, I told you length is very, very important. Once you learn length, you can use it for anything. You should have 5 numbers. 5 numbers. There you are. Okay, what else do we have? Add a value to a set. Okay, that's the next thing we want to do. Just add number 6, I guess. So it's S2 dot add, and again it's in place. You can't say S2 goes S2 dot add. Probably get another none. Oh, we don't want to copy that one. We want to copy this one. Okay. Okay, we run this one. Yeah, so we get the 6 now. Okay. And we can take a value out. Or ask them which number they don't like. So we just remove a number they don't like. Oh, we don't like the 3. Okay. So we take the 3 out. Some people like 3s. Oh, okay, so again, it's in place. So you can't say S2, it goes S2 remove, even though I tried many times. I wonder what happened to my list. It's gone, turned into a none. Okay, run this one now. Oh, the 3's gone. Okay, and we can check if a number is in a list. You just go print 4 in S2. So the in operators really used a lot. It's the in, you gotta know. The len, you gotta know. The str, you gotta know. It should say true, right? I got the true. If you make this a different number, like 8, I say false. There you are. So there, we did lots on the set. Okay, we can make 2 sets, another set. S3, oh, we used the S1. This is got left out. S1 equals 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. And we get S3 equals S1 dot intersection. So intersection is what's common between them. S2. So these are all the common ones, and we print out the S3. Okay, so run this one. Intersection. INTESECTION. Oh, curly brackets. See, a habit is square brackets. There we are. Those are the common numbers between them. And we have a union that will give all the numbers between them. You will see. Yes, it's all our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. And then you can do this thing we do with all the students. And we want to find words in a set. So we say S4 equals set, round brackets. Whoa. Put the word tomorrow. And this would be all the common letters. Unique, not common, unique letters. So if we print S4 out, it should give us another word with common letters. You will see. We got, see, the other student, they have Mr. 2. On my computer, we don't get Mr. 2. Let's try door and see what that gives us. So the students cannot continue the course until they find a word from another word. Oh, you get ord. I guess that's a word. We can continue. So you just try different words and see what word you get. Okay, so that's it for sets. Okay. Next is tuples. Okay. So put a little print tuples here. So tuples are read only. It's a group of values, right? Group of values. Or a collection of values. So tuples get the round brackets. So let's make an empty one first. So these are round brackets. Whoa. There they are. So let's print out the tuple. So tuples are used a lot, returning values and functions, grouping values together. Very, very, very convenient to have tuples. Where's our tuple there? The empty one. See? Always print out what you're doing, then you know what that means. So we give it a value. We use T again. We just give some values here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you set the values, you can't change them. Probably you don't want to change them. There are people who do want to change them, but they can't. So I guess they have to get angry. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can get the length of a tuple. I told you this alien is so important. Now we give us 4, right? You got 4 numbers. Got the 4. And we can get a value in the tuple. Just the first one, I guess. We don't really care which one. Wow, Sonny's so good, eh? So you make a round bracket wrong. It just tells you. Won't let you. Yeah, there's the number 1, the first one. Okay, I guess that's it for tuples. You just use them to return values. Okay. Next, dictionary. So dictionary is the most important. Okay, we're gonna go print here, print dictionary. And what are dictionaries? Stores, keys, and values, like a phone book. We can put like a phone book if you want. Like a phone book. You give it the phone number, it gives you the name. You give it the name, it gives you the phone number. What more could you ask for? Okay, so we're gonna make the empty one. Always make the empty one. You search the internet, no one tells you how to make the empty ones. So dictionary gets the curly brackets. That's why when you make the set, you gotta say SET to make the empty set. But with the dictionary, you can make the dictionary. So we should print that. And you get 2 curly brackets again. There they are, the 2 curly brackets. Okay, so we can put some values in our D square bracket name, keys and values. So this is the key, the name. And then we're going to give it a name like Tom. Remember Tom from the previous lessons? Okay, and we can actually print that one out. And it will say name Tom, you will see. There you are, name Tom. And we can add another one. We can add Tom's email. Tom@mail.com, I guess. You should register that name, mail.com. You'd be a millionaire, I guess. Everyone's mail.com. If we print it out, we get 2 things. There we got the name Tom in email, tom@email.com. And we can add another one. We can add the phone, his phone number. I guess you could phone Tom. Anyways, I'm gonna give him the pizza number. So when you phone the number, they're just gonna deliver pizza. So, but maybe Tom works there. We don't know. Give him the pizza number. 9671111. Okay, little dash here. And there, maybe Tom delivers the pizza. There you are. There's Tom's email. There's Tom's name. And there's where he works at the pizza place. Oh, no, that's where his home phone number is. Okay, great. And then, if you don't like Tom, you can change his name. You go D, name, little single quote here. Whoa. Wow. You're lucky I'm not a fast typer. Sue. Remember Sue was Tom's girlfriend, so we just changed Tom's name to Sue. And we can print this one out. And then now we got Sue. There's Sue, you see? Oh, I got Tom's email. And she also works at Pizza Place. Wow. Okay, what's our next thing we have to do? So dictionaries are used all the time. It's like, and you can hard code them. Like if you know JavaScript, it's like a little bit like JavaScript. I guess we call it D2. Put a curly bracket, and you put the key comes first. Name. Oh, we use, and then you put a single quote. You gotta put single quotes. Python knows what the name is, and then we put the value. We use Mary, which is Tom's other girlfriend. Well, Tom's so lucky, so many girlfriends. And then we email, I guess. I guess you could email Mary, and she's at Mary Mary at mail.com. And then mail.com. Well, and then we can just make another key here, which is the phone number of Mary. And you know where her phone number is going to be the pizza number too. They all work and live at Pizza Place. That's where Tom met Sue and Mary anyways, at the Pizza Place. Okay, little single quote, little round curly brackets. And print the D2 out. Okay, run that one now. Invalid syntax. There's the name, there's the email. Just a spelling mistake. There's the all right here, look. Comma here. So it's good to you make mistakes, and then you can fix them really easy. See, there we are. Hard code it here. And here we just make an empty one and put values in. So if you know what you have, you can do this one. If you don't know what you have, you can just do this one. Okay, so let's make a dictionary. Now we want to print out the keys. So it's print d2.keys. You gotta put the round brackets. People get round brackets and they don't get any keys. Right, the keys are name, email, and phone. But you can always print the values as well. Which should be the phone number, the email. So I thought we fixed that one. Oh well. A real phone, a phony. Okay, there. Okay, great. And we get the values now. There they are, Mary. These are the values. These are the keys. So very important difference between keys and values. And we want to check if there's a key in a dictionary. So print. Name. We have to use single quotes. So I use the single quotes for little things, and I use the double quotes for big things. It's more like a habit. And we use the in operator. See, the in operator is so important. D2. And it would say true. See, it says true. I told you to say true. And we can get rid of one, remove one. Oh, let's remove the name. So D2, well, delete D2 is delete D2 dot or square brackets name. So we get rid of this key. So we can't get rid of values, and we cannot do in values. We can only do in the keys. We can only get rid of keys. We can't get rid of values. So you would have to change the value like here. Okay, so let's print out the D2. See if it's gone. I'm sure it'd be gone. Oh, okay, so we run this one now. There, the name's gone. Okay, so we did a lot about dictionaries today. Okay, we can even clear this dictionary. So let's clear the dictionary. Poor Tom, poor Mary, poor Sue. They're all gone. Oh, wow, they'll be back next lesson for sure, I'm sure. I'm sure next lesson they will all be back, so you don't have to worry. So let's print that one out. Okay, next lesson we're doing loops. And we're going to be looping through sets and lists and dictionaries and arrays, all sorts of things. Okay, so run this one and see. It's really, really cleared. Oh, it's empty. Look. Okay, great. Okay, this lesson went pretty good. Only 20 minutes, so I'm sure we have enough megabytes for the next lesson. Okay, so I'm going to save this one now. And then in your, I don't know where you got this lesson from. In your materials, you can find all your homework. There's a transcript. There's all the homework in it, or it's homework assembly. If you do the homework, the students who do the homework become very, very good programmers. The students who don't do the programmers, they don't. I mean, the students who do the homework don't become good programmers. Well, maybe, we don't know, but I know the homework students, they do very, very well. They're so happy to show me the homework. They got it done, and whoa, I go, so smart. Wow. Okay, so see you next time for next lesson, lesson 6. Okay, bye-bye.